What's the opposite of precede? In the particular context that I'm in, I was writing about several lines of programming. For simplicity, let's call them. First, I described line A. Great. Then I wanted to write about line B, but couldn't think of the way to describe the relationship between B and A. The closest I could think of was follows, but to say the following line is ambiguous. It can refer to either the line of code after line A, or it can imply that I'm going to copy and paste line B into my text and reference it there, which was not the case. I ended up saying something to the effect of line A precedes some code that, but was wondering, if line A precedes line B, then what is the proper and unambiguous term for the relationship between line B relative to line A? Postcede.
The most natural sounding way you could say it, other than using follows, is probably is next after. If line A precedes line B is slash comes next after line A. Succeed is the technical antonym to precede, but line B succeeds line A does not sound as natural. Then again, though you discarded the term follows, it may turn out to be a good choice.
Line B is preceded by line A. Line A is followed by line B. Edit after the first comment. To make it active, you can try line B follows line A. Alternatively, you could say line B comes after line A.
Antecede is synonymous with precede, this URL. I believe the proper mirror word to precede is succeed. This usage is most commonly seen in the form predecessor/successor, but it's perfectly valid to say that line A precedes line B and line B succeeds line A.
From etymological view, succeed is antonym for precede, but at least in oxforddictionaries.com this meaning is last meaning in modern English, which in this sense synonyms are follow, come after, follow after.
How to